Sanwanani guys, and welcome to Locs and Living with Angel. I hope you're good. I hope you're well. So today, hey guys, I wanna fix my hair. You know, I don't know whether it's the summertime or it's me being really busy during the festive season, or perhaps that new shampoo that I got that wasn't the usual one that I use. But my hair's been very dry lately. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to do a hot oil treatment. So I've never ever done a hot oil treatment before in my life. Never at a salon, never at home. So this will be the first time that I'm doing a hot oil treatment. So I got this product, I can't even remember. I think it was when I first started tending to my own locks. So I've got this, it came in a pack. It was a shampoo, it was a spray to maintain your hair, and then it came with these little bottles of hot oil treatment, right? So I didn't know what to do with that. I used the other two products, and this has been just chilling in my wardrobe. So now that I realized, because you know, man, my hair's dry, like I can literally even hear it, like when it's dried up. Even though if you've been here before, you'll know that I have my water and coconut oil spray. Even though I have that spray, and like every day or every other day I make sure to spray my hair, it still gets dry. So I thought, you know what, I need to do this, and here is the use and review of the Jabu Stone hot oil treatment. So yeah, this, like I said, it's the first time I'm using this product, and I don't know, but I googled, okay? I googled everything about this product, reviews from other people. I even googled the founder, and wow, okay, I like what I saw. I like what I saw, because in another video I was talking about how you can never really find products for locks. You can never really like just go into a shop and then get, you know, what you need for locks. So I won't lie, I am a little bit skeptical about using this product, but I mean, hot oil treatments. So I wanted to like read a little bit about what it says. So it says here, hot oil treatment with wheat protein, provitamin B5, tea tree oil, and sulfur. Jabu Stone hot oil treatment is formulated to help nourish the scalp and hair follicle to help repair and strengthen hair. Designed to alleviate dandruff with regular use as well as help condition the scalp. Sounds like good things, right? Sounds like good ingredients as well. Very natural type of things, and that's, you know, I like that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. This is the product that I'm trying. So now, what you need to do with the product. I read the instructions, which are at the back of the box of the product. And first of all, you need to wash your hair, and then right after washing your hair, you need to, or even before washing your hair, you need to put the product into some warm water, or you take a few spoons of the product and put it into a microwavable container, and then microwave just to get it warm a bit, and then just make sure that it's not too hot, because you don't want to be burning your scalp, right? Yeah. And then right after that, you have to take the product and then you massage it through your hair from the scalp and roots all the way to the ends of your hair, and then you put what is it called, a plastic cap. You put a plastic cap on your head and you leave it on there for 20 to 30 minutes, and then right after that they advise you to use their products to wash off the oil, but for today's purposes I have my own shampoo that I'll be using. But yeah, basically you wash off the oil, and yeah, and then you style as you regularly would anyway. So with step one, of course, I have already washed my hair. I don't know if it's visible to you, but yeah, I have already washed my hair, and I am dripping all over the place, so I really want to get this done, and I'm just anxious. Gee, I want to see what it's going to be like. So yeah, I've washed my hair already, and I've already put the product into some hot water. Yeah, here it is. And then now it's time for me to massage the product into my hair. Here goes nothing. So I'm not really sure how to open the product. I think I'll put like my little towel here to make sure that I don't make a mess. So Gazi, how to open it, but it's sort of, oh, you twist it. So you twist this thing. Yeah, it's open. Okay, it's not coming off, but it's open. I think I'm not strong enough. Okay, there you go, it pops off. So here we go. They said to use like one, but I don't know, with the thickness of my hair, I think I might have to use two. And I did put two in the warm water. So yeah, and I just realized now that after putting it into the warm water, it moves around a lot easier. So here goes nothing. Okay, it's not too hot, which is great because I'm not trying to burn myself. It smells, I don't know, it smells okay. I mean, I think I can smell the tea tree oil, but yeah, it smells nice. I mean, for the purposes of what it does, I mean, it smells fairly okay. So yeah, I'm gonna just massage that in. Now I'm actually thinking one bottle will be enough, eh? It's really going in there. I think another like wow, and I'm only like that much in. Okay, yeah, I think one will be enough. I think another important thing to not forget is the back of your hair, because we all like the front of our hair because that's what we can see, but the back is also very important. Shame, guys, it's also very important. I think for me, where I was experiencing the dryness the most was around the tips of my hair, and I think maybe it's because that's what has been exposed the longest, guys. But yeah, and I will blame the heat. It's been super hot these days, and ever since September, late September, it's been really hot. So I think that's what happened. And I remember saying that I wanted to try out some new and maybe stronger oils, and I hadn't done that yet because I got so busy. So yeah, so let me just carry on doing this, and then I'll speed this up, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so last few drops of the product, and I actually can't believe that I thought I was going to have to use two of these bottles, because what? This is actually like really going around everywhere in my hair, and I can also feel a little bit going down my back. So yeah, just be careful of that. Maybe get a towel. Don't be me, get a towel, but also be careful with towels, because they can get into your locks and get stuck as lint, and then that doesn't look pretty. So, or maybe you can use a t-shirt, or if you have a silk scarf, you can put that around your neck and back. So yeah, we're almost done. I think, ta-da! Alright, again, make sure to get it all the way from the roots to the tip, because that's what the instructions say, and you want maximum results, right? Yo, I feel like I look like a mess right now, but it's all for the good of my hair. And so what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to put the said plastic cap, but I don't have a plastic cap, so I'm going to make it old school. I'm going to use just a plastic bag. So I can feel the oil like moving around in my hair. Right, so I have like an ordinary black plastic bag. I mean, it doesn't have to be black, but I just thought it would look nicer for the video. So yeah, ordinary plastic bag, and I'm gonna just tie my locks all in there, and yeah, let's see what happens. Right, here we are, and here's the plastic bag. So okay, thank God for this towel because I feel all oily and wet all around my neck and shoulders. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it in here. I'm actually even wondering to create the effect of like more warmth. I think this is what I'm gonna do coming back. So I've got like this bandana, and just for the extra effects of warmth, I'm going to tie this bandana on my hair as on top of the plastic bag as well, just to make sure we see hot in here. Yeah, so I'm just gonna tie it like that, and then I feel like I don't look the prettiest right now, but the after, I'm hoping the after looks really good. Oh yeah, what I was noticing also while oiling my locks is that they're looking darker, they're looking, you know, more moisturized already. So that's good. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this in for now. The time is 3:15 right now. So I'll be back at 3:45. Yeah, that'll be 30 minutes. I think I want to use the maximum time. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get myself all cleaned up and then I'll come back and see you. Hey guys, so it's been a few days since I did the hot oil treatment, and I actually have to say I like it. I like what it did. Yes, of course, I think it's been 4 days, so this is the 4th day after I've done it, and as usual I use my water and coconut oil mixed spray on my hair, so I am moisturized like how I usually moisturize, but there is a difference that I do feel in my hair. It's not crackling as much as it was before I did the hot oil treatment, and I don't know, it feels stronger. Yeah, it looks even healthier. It looks darker because, you know, like ashy can be gray. So yeah, it's looking darker than, you know, what it was before, and I think I'm really happy with this product, and I'm probably going to use it again because there are 4 tubes in that little box. So I have 3 left over now. I'm definitely going to like use it again. I don't know, maybe in a month from now, because like I said, my hair was really dry, and I also read that you can use the product more continuously as well, but I think I'll stick to my coconut oil, you know, during my washes and stuff, and then when I want to do the hot oil treatment, I'll just fit it into my wash routine. So yeah, I'm actually very, very happy with what happened. And I don't know, it just feels good. I'm actually very surprised with this product. I was reluctant to use it, but I'm glad I pushed myself. So from me, with the Jabu Stone product, yeah, it's a thumbs up from me. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope it helped you if you are also experiencing dry locks. I do think you can also use it on loose natural hair and maybe even relaxed hair. I don't know, don't quote me on that, but yeah, I do recommend this product, and going forward, if I do have any trouble with it, I will give a shout. But for now, ngijabule kakhulu, and yeah, I'm going to carry on using it again. Like the channel, again, if you did enjoy the video, please like it and subscribe. Welcome to the family, come on over. And also turn on the bell notification so you don't miss anything. I always forget that part. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and stay blessed.